Enterprises, big and small, are opting for a hybrid work environment, and this is not going to change in the distant future. So the challenge is to ensure peak employee productivity, be it work from office, work from home, or work from anywhere. We have Mr. Vasudevan, founder and managing director of the Chennai-headquartered New Wave Computing Private Limited, a key Dell Technologies partner, who believes in making work from anywhere productive. Mr. Vasudevan is a man of diverse interests, from golfing to singing. He is a winner of the DataQuest Entrepreneur Award, an industry recognition for his passion and experience. He started New Wave Computing in 1999 with his stated mission, passion for success. Today, New Wave is a committed team of 150-plus professionals, serving 2,000-plus clients. With operations across Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, and Kerala, New Wave enables clients to build agile IT infrastructure that remains scalable, resilient, and secure. Let's hear what Mr. Vasudevan says about work from anywhere productivity. Good morning, Mr. Vasudevan. Tell us, how do you begin your day?
I try to catch up with a few rounds of golf during the week and mix it up with yoga and cardio for the rest of the days. Then I'm all set for work.
What is your take on work from anywhere?
In my opinion, the future of work, which we all call remote, will eventually become a distributed work environment. I believe that talent and intelligence are distributed all over this country, but opportunities are not. Therefore, what I call a distributed model is certainly bound to tap into this opportunity. So creating the right computing environment is key to being your best in a remote setting. I believe that Dell Technologies has a proven and complete range of remote work solutions, which is winning over customers, and I'm a very big fan too.
What comes first in a work from anywhere environment?
Creating a perfect work from anywhere environment would necessarily include: 1. A powerful portable work computer. 2nd, monitors with large enough display, and I would prefer 2 of those. 3rd, a nice full-size keyboard and a mouse to improve comfort and typing speed. 4, a powerful speakerphone that delivers real conferencing experience. And lastly, a central device through which you establish a seamless connection to all these devices and many more. But if I have to pick just one, then it will be the dual monitors. The large screen size makes multitasking very easy. So 2 screens make work far more faster and efficient, as it allows you to manage multiple applications with ease at the same time. So the Dell dual monitors come with some very thoughtful advantages. The Dell P2419H monitor is height adjustable with pivot and tilt options. So it makes it more ergonomically easy to operate. Better ergonomics leads to better productivity.
Any other Dell Technologies accessories that make work from anywhere more productive?
Of course. The truth is that the entire DNCP range delivers big. Let me start with the compact portable Dell mobile adapter speakerphone, the MH3021P. You see, this is so helpful when it comes to long calls or teleconferences. The amazing audio quality, noise reduction, and echo cancellation features are a big plus. Then there is the additional USB and HDMI ports that deliver data transfer speeds of up to 10 Gbps and also supports 4K HDR for sharp images. You see, these features help expand the capability to add more peripherals with minimal desk clutter. Features like volume control, moving up and down, mute, unmute, or accept or reject calls. These things add a lot of convenience. Last but not the least, it is extremely sleek and very portable. The Dell USB-C mobile adapter DA300 is yet another star. It is a simple plug-and-play device which offers seamless video, network, and data connectivity in a neat, compact design. An ideal gadget for someone who's always on the move. Let's talk about the Dell Universal Docking Station. It is the best way through which I expand the capabilities of my laptop and customize my computing environment. The Dell Universal Docking Station D6000 provides universal compatibility with a wide range of PC brands and operating systems, which keeps workspace clutter-free and allows me to easily connect with multiple displays and other peripherals. Laptops have constraints with limited ports. However, with Dell Docking Station, I can connect my laptop with various devices such as printers, scanners, external hard drives, headphones, external speakers, and so on and so forth. So what is exciting is a single cable from my laptop allows me to create this complete clutter-free environment, making portability so convenient. And finally, the Dell KM7120W wireless keyboard and mouse. They allow me to effortlessly switch between 3 devices anytime, making work faster and better.
So you think remote work is here to stay?
Yes, of course. I think that remote work, or what I call as distributed work, will continue to stay. And now that there are powerful technology solutions available from Dell, it is certainly going to flourish. I have customers and my own teams wanting a hybrid work environment. So therefore, I am certain that we all can totally trust Dell Technologies' remote work solutions to ensure productivity and efficiency for our own business. With Dell remote work solutions, I can take productivity anywhere.